If you see your perennial fruit plants doing this in fall, this is a very good sign it's getting ready for winter. If you take a look at these stems, you can see the difference between the softwood growth, which really is non-existent now, versus this more semi-hardwood, hardwood type of growth. You can see that this is super almost, it's getting to the point where it's almost like a branch, like it could snap in half. That's what you want to see. See, this is still a little bit more, this branch back here, if I can reach it, is a little bit more on the softwood. It'll be a little greener compared to the thickness and darkness of that branch. So you want to keep an eye on that as your plants head into fall, especially if you get hit by an early frost. If you don't see your like your branches starting to harden up, maybe it's kind of like this blueberry. See, this is very softwood-ish type of material. So if you do get an early frost or a pretty early freeze, you want to make sure that you protect your plants in some way, at least for the first, couple freezes and stuff, so the plant has enough time to adjust and to get ready for winter. Because what will happen is if there's any softwood growth, take like this blueberry, for example, on this very top, and this most likely will die off, and you won't get any fruit off of it next year. So that is very important to keep in mind. Protect your plants if they are not starting to harden up, because I live in a climate that there are summers and winters come very quickly. So the transition from summer to winter is only about a month. So it's our fall season is very, very short. So that is just a tip for all you guys. I hope you take a minute and subscribe and like this video if you would like to see more gardening content like this.